We take care of our skin every day, but once a week, I like to give my skin a little extra attention. And it is said every 7 days, our skin releases the dead cells outside the layer. This causes dry, dull roughness on the skin. It's very, very important to exfoliate the skin so that you keep the new skin cells fresh and breathy. Today I'm sharing my 3-step weekly skin revive routine for dry skin. We'll cleanse it, exfoliate it, and use hydrating face mask. I will also share most important tips that dry skin people should not follow or avoid. Watch this tutorial till the end and try the routine with me. Here is my first step that I cleanse. Before we exfoliate, it's very important that you have a very clean skin. So as usual, if you have already seen my tutorials, you know the face wash that I use. It is very, very mild and gentle on the skin, especially if you have dry, flaky or stretchy skin. I use the face wash which is from Plix brand. It is very gel-like finish, very mild, very soft. It actually retains your natural skin's oil. I take about 2 minutes to cleanse my skin thoroughly. This is the maximum lather it gives, guys. Use a rotating motion, thoroughly massage it and wash it off with a normal water. Not hot water, not lukewarm water, just a normal plain water. Once I finish cleansing my skin with a face wash, here is a next important step that I use: exfoliation. Scrub is very harsh for a dry skin, hence use a mild hydrating exfoliation. For this I use Clayco Mask Enzyme Scrub, which is very, very soft and smooth on the skin, and it removes the dead cells. It keeps my skin glowy, away from tan, discoloration, and hydrated throughout the week. I follow this routine once a week, Sunday or a Saturday weekend in the evening, so that my skin gets that enough rest while I sleep, and I do not do exfoliation and then go out in pollution or in sunny areas. So I avoid all of that. So I use these techniques in the evening and then right 2-3 hours before I go to bed. Now these enzymes from Clayco Mask is very, very gentle on the skin. Why it is important to exfoliate? Throughout the week, dead skin cells can build up on the surface, which makes our skin look dull, and makeup may also look very patchy or rough. Too much of exfoliation is not good for dry skin, but you have to use something which is very, very gentle, light pressure, not hard substance as well. Why exfoliation matters? It keeps our skin smoother, helps reduce the appearance of flaky patches, create a smooth canvas for makeup, and removes the dead skin cells. But over exfoliation can worsen dryness and irritation. So these are the best products. I have linked the product details below, but if you really want some other brands and try out something which is very mild, comment me more and I would share you few more products that you can try apart from Clayco. Complete 5 minutes I take to exfoliate gently throughout my face, near the eyebrows, eyes, nose, lips, necks, cheek area, ears, everything thoroughly and gently. Once I finish this, I go ahead and again wash my face with a normal water and come back. After the exfoliation, it's important that you seal the pores. You can use a toner. If not, you can also use ice pack like how I do, because The idea is simply give the skin refreshing cooling step after cleansing and exfoliating. This is very important step. It also helps in tightening the pores at certain extent, but not a lot. But the cooling will be very refreshing. Now once I finish cold compress, I use a mask. Now here is a mistake many of the dry skin people do, is going for a clay mask. Do not use clay mask because the multani mitti, calamine mask, or something like Red Sea mask, all these masks remove the excess oil. So these are good for people who have oily skin, but the dry skin people need more hydration. So your mask shouldn't dry on your skin, it should hydrate. This Clayco mask actually helps in hydrating the skin to maximum. You can just apply it a very thin coat and go to sleep and get up in the morning and then wash your face. And this is my favorite hydrating mask. I have given a link only for Clayco mask here, but if you again want more brands, preferably comment more. I would definitely mention or give out more product details with regards to hydrating scrub and hydrating mask, both of them. You can leave it overnight and get up in the morning and wash your face with a normal water, and your skin feels amazing, guys, amazing. And this is my 3-step weekly skin routine for my dry skin. All I do is cleansing, exfoliating, cooling, and then going for a mask. The biggest thing I want you to remember is dry skin doesn't need aggressive skincare. It needs consistent and gentle care. I would love to know, what is your biggest dry skin problem? Is it flakiness, dryness, makeup looking patchy or tighter? Tell me in the comment, because I'm planning more dry skin tutorials based on your questions. And if you're new here, subscribe to Self Makeup Mastery channel, because every Tuesdays and Fridays I share practical skincare, self makeup tutorials to help you understand why something works, not just copy a trend. Take care of your skin, give it some love, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.